All right, guys, you're looking here at a custom fitted top teeth grill we just had done for a customer. This one here is it's an 8 top, okay, and it is 10K solid gold. Show you the back side. You got your 10K stamp in the back. And now these are single caps, guys. Now you can see, what does that mean? You can see between each tooth there. You see how it has a deep line? Well, it's cut all the way through. So these give you the nice permanent style look. Check that out. It's a nice definition to each tooth. And again, this is real 10K gold. It is handmade from an actual impression of your teeth for a perfect fit. All right, well, there it is, guys. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com, and you can do the top, you can do the bottom teeth, you can do a top and bottom set. That's up to you. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.